We're on the move again. Where are we off to now?
Something caves.
Something caves. We're going to some kind of caves. There's an archway over there that supposedly goes into the sea. These rocks so sharp, they're so pointy. Anna's so lucky she didn't come. Yeah, right. Something rubbed up against her leg. I'm not jumping in. Put your goggles on and look before I jump in. I'm not jumping in now. You lying? Nada queso. That doesn't look so structurally sound, right? So Anna drained me at the beach today, going to so many different beaches. So we didn't get to finish off anything for the vlog, but now we're all dressed up and we're going to, we went to Polonia. And we're taking a little walk before we go out to eat. And here's this nice little church. And look at Anna looking all pretty. Spin to me so I can see you. Wow, look at you. You look beautiful. Show off your big butt.